Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Haruharu Wonder Black Rice 5 Ceramide Barrier Moisturizing Cream. This product retails for $24. I've had this product for a while, but I saved it for when it was a lot colder out and I'm dealing with drier skin to try it because this is supposed to be a richer moisturizing cream from Haruharu. I'm a huge fan of their Ceramide essence, and this looks to be the complementing product of that formula that was a little bit more lightweight of a toner, but still delivered a great nourishment and skin barrier support I haven't really seen with many other milky toners like it. I feel like it's really stand out, and that's why I'm very excited to try out this new moisturizer from Haruharu. I do have acne prone skin, and richer moisturizers make me a little bit nervous, but I'm going into this with an open mind and I can't wait to see what I notice with it. This product is vegan, cruelty free, fragrance free, alcohol free, and comes in recyclable packaging. This utilizes a 5 ceramide complex along with tocopherol and allantoin to be a pretty balancing yet soothing formula, which makes me really excited. Check out the full ingredients and click the link in the description. Go to their website. Also left the full ingredients in the description as well. Big things we're going to be looking for include what finish does it leave, does this product break me out, and how does this product feel on the skin? Is it a heavier moisturizer or is it something that feels very balanced? As for anything else, I'm going to be continuing to do check-in, so I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in, also my first impression with this moisturizer. Like I said, I've had this for a long time, but I haven't used it because I've been waiting for it to become a little bit more cold out. In my head, this was a more rich and thicker cream. I'm kind of getting that from first impression. You can see right there, it is pretty heavy on the skin. It feels really creamy though, and this may be a wonderful option for more dry skin. I can already tell based off first feeling that it feels a little bit oily for oily skin to enjoy it. It feels a little bit more heavy than an oily skin moisturizer, but we'll see how it translates to the face. It feels really rich, and I cannot wait to experience this because my skin's been a little bit more dry. It doesn't always appear it. It feels very dry, especially in my drier areas. It feels like a rich balm. And it blends into this really nice cream. That feels really good. Yeah, this is definitely a heavier feeling moisturizer. Blend in pretty nice. It's not something that is greasy. I am more dry right now, and this is a dream for me. It feels like butter going into the face. I feel like I say that with a lot of moisturizers, but this one truly did melt in like butter. Just got a little bit of heaviness to the skin where I feel like dry skin may enjoy it best. My skin definitely feels a little bit oily, which is good for me right now. I'm needing a little bit more moisture to my face. Big thing I will be curious to see with this formula is if it breaks me out or causes acne, because sometimes with these more rich formulas that happens. Only time will tell though. I'm going to continue using it and then I'll check in again. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this moisturizer. It is really heavy for the skin, something that I feel like extremely dry skin would more enjoy. Not personally something that I found I needed to use as often because I did find it to be just a little bit greasy, considering I'm more used to balm style products, especially since it is the winter. I feel like I was more able to get away with using it at night because I do like to wake up with a restorative feel, and it's not something that had me waking up feeling greasy, but when I wore it throughout the day, I did feel greasy even in the winter. So this is for dry skin who's looking for a really rich, more heavy moisturizer, which there is a purpose for that. I know some people need a heavier finish to that with their moisturizer, so this would be a great option. They utilize great soothing ingredients in here, skin strengthening ingredients, and I feel like a good blend. It complements the Haruharu Barrier collection. I felt like the toner was a little bit more lightweight. It could be good or bad depending on if you're looking for a richer moisturizer to complement that. I do have a couple of other balm style products that I enjoyed better than this. It just personally worked better for my skin, but this product wasn't a bad product, especially especially for an overnight cream. Oily skin, I can confirm this is definitely not going to be for you. Really dry skin, and if you're wanting a heavier finish to your dry skin, that's when I'd recommend trying out this product. It is something that could work with those benefits more instantly for nourishing dry skin. With me, I'm personally going to be going for the Naturium multi-peptide rich cream because I found that to be more of a balm style product. It is also varying on price. Some retailers have Naturium's moisturizer retailing for cheaper. It's the Korean formulations that always vary depending on the website, so just make sure you are always checking those. Checking verified ones like Olive Young, Yes Style, Stylevana, and getting the best price for your Korean skincare products. With this formula, I felt like it was really good for extremely dry skin, or if you're a combination like me or you're more dry during the winter, you could use this as a restorative night cream. I enjoyed using it like that, but ultimately it wasn't something that I found I used day to day. It didn't cause acne with me. Personally, was acne safe for my skin? Everyone's acne is different though. I do feel like if I was using this a lot more consistently, like day and night every day, it could have potentially caused breakouts just because when I'm over moisturizing my skin. But I had no issue when I used it as an overnight restorative cream. I actually quite enjoyed using it like that. And I feel like they have great soothing ingredients in here that would also be good for irritated dry skin. If you have really dry skin, I'd recommend turning to this as an option for a moisturizer. Any other skin type, I just feel like it's not really designed for because of that heavier, greasier finish that you get with it. I feel like it's designed to really comfort dry skin, and that's who I'd ultimately recommend it for. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week. I will see you all in the next review.